Hi, this is me, Sara, a 28-year-old girl from Italy. But let's start from the beginning. I was born in Milan and, as you can see, I didn't have so much hair. But then, unfortunately, something happened. I was so blonde. So the first stereotype I had to face was blonde girls are stupid. Anyway, fortunately, I got through this. When I had to choose high school, my teachers told me I could only do an artistic one. Who can blame them? I'm so good in drawing. But my idea was to do a scientific high school. The same that my older brother was doing. But my brother was and is a nerd. And me? Well, I couldn't stop thinking why my teachers suggested that I only had one option. In the end, I chose what I wanted. I studied math, physics, but something was missing. No one was teaching me to believe in myself. So I decided to study psychology at university. To better understand this and why people follow social rules instead of what they really want. I wrote a thesis on the resources and difficulties of women at work, and I started looking for a job with hope, thinking positive, but also prepared to face difficulties. Positive things first. I got a job in the biggest IT company where I spent 3 beautiful and challenging years. Then I changed and now I'm working for probably the most loved IT company. Then the negative side. I spent years thinking I wasn't enough. Every day. Do you know what I mean? It's the imposter syndrome, a psychological pattern in which an individual doubts their skill, talents, or accomplishments and has a persistent internalized fear of being exposed as a fraud. So what can you do if you feel like this? It's a step-by-step journey with ups and downs, facing your fears and celebrating small and big successes. You have to aim for the goal and walking confidently towards it. There is no universal recipe for this. Each of us needs to find their own. But if you want, you can go behind your borders.